Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new sugar factory that's being built in Jamaica. Now, a group of Indian investors are going to be building a new factory at the Tropical Sugar Company in Clarendon. Now, for a very long time, Jamaica was one of the leading producers of sugar in the Caribbean. Companies like Bernard, Lodge, Froome, and Money Musk used to generate tons of sugar back in the day. And towns were built to accommodate this industry. A lot of towns, the livelihood was sugar. It's like in Westmoreland, Froome was the backbone of the economy in that area. But over time, these sugar companies closed down, falling prices, and because of that, a lot of these towns are not as don't economically are not doing as well as they used to. So this company that's going to be investing 50 million US dollars in a new sugar factory could spark or start the revitalization of the sugar industry in Jamaica. So this is very important for Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. For centuries, sugar was the backbone of Jamaica's economy, shaping the island's history, landscape, and social society. From the 1600s through to the mid-20th century, sugar estates dominated rural life. During British colonization, Jamaica became one of the world's largest sugar producers. Even after emancipation, sugar continued as a major export, providing jobs, supporting communities, and influencing the growth of railways, ports, and market towns. By the late 20th and early 21st centuries, the industry began to decline. High production costs, outdated factories, falling global prices, and rising competition made it difficult for Jamaica to remain profitable. One by one, many estates closed, including the once famous Money Musk in Clarendon. Thousands of farmers and workers were affected, and vast acreages of former sugar lands fell into disuse. Prime Minister Doctor the Most Honorable Andrew Holness recently welcomed a transformative US $50 million investment by Tropical Sugar Company Limited, signaling the first major return to commercial-scale sugar production in Clarendon in years. The company, backed by Indian investors, is building a state-of-the-art, vertically integrated sugar factory in Chesterfield, just outside the historic Money Musk estate, one of Jamaica's oldest sugar regions. The investment is US $50 million and construction is to start in January 2026. The construction is expected to take 18 months and the factory capacity will be 50,000 metric tons. Approximately 11,000 acres will be leased from the Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings, and this factory should create around 2,000 direct and indirect positions or jobs. This is one of the largest agricultural industrial projects in Jamaica's recent history. The development will benefit farmers, factory and field workers, equipment operators, transport providers, and small businesses that depend on agricultural activity. Prime Minister Holness praised the project for bringing life back to some of the nearly 50,000 acres of unused SCJH sugarlands in Clarendon. For communities that once thrived during the peak of the sugar area, Hayes, Lioneltown, Rocky Point, and surrounding districts, this investment represents renewed economic hope. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.